Hey, this is Jessica with Food Foundation, and in this video, I'm going to share a recipe for a classic cocktail, the Tequila Sunrise. But bonus, I'm going to add healthy ingredients so that I can help you have a healthier happy hour. One of the main things I believe is important for your health is moderation. But one of the things I haven't been able to moderate lately with all of the online happy hours is alcohol intake. And as I take my walks in the morning and see your trash cans in my neighborhood, I don't think you're moderating either. So if you can't join them, if you can't beat them, join them. Let's make a healthier cocktail so that you have a little bit less guilt at your next online happy hour. A few of the main ingredients in your Tequila Sunrise can make a difference between whether it's healthy or it's going to give you a headache and a hangover. The main thing is, when you pick a tequila, you don't want a well alcohol, you want something that you could sip so that the quality is much better. The second thing is, you often use ingredients like grenadine to make the sunrise and orange juice from the store. If you're trying to get vitamin C from your orange juice right now when we're trying to boost our immune system, don't get orange juice from the store. As soon as you pick an orange from a tree, it starts to lose vitamin C. If you heat that in pasteurization of orange juice, there's no vitamin C left. Right now, oranges are in season. They're growing on everybody's trees. Or you could go to the farmer's market where there's a whole bunch of oranges, or even get a CSA box. So I'm going to use a blood orange and a Cara. This could be a navel or a Valencia, basically a red orange to replace the grenadine at the bottom of the cocktail, and an orange to make that beautiful sunrise, and fill my drink full of vitamin C. So let's go ahead and start our Tequila Sunrise. You first want to start with your blood orange to get red at the bottom of the glass. I love this easy juicer that's one piece, and pour slowly along the side of the glass. Next, you want to add the tequila. We're working at about 1 part tequila to 3 parts juice. Next comes the orange color. Love that juicer. Pour very slowly so that you can get the gradation in color, and top it off with a little slice of lemon so you have those beautiful red, orange, yellow colors. So obviously I'm not condoning drinking as healthy, but adding oranges, real oranges to your cocktails can have a healthier happy hour. Cheers! Actually, I'm not going to drink this. It's like 10 o'clock in the morning. Enjoy! We good?
It's good for that one.
Well, that's good. We're not still filming, right?
We're still
Oh
filming.
my God, cheers.